Hi, I'm Red. Welcome to Scrapyard. Um, Fellas, I hope I was going to have a little something done show today when I done this, but I don't. It's summer, the weather's nice, man. Things keep distracting me and interfering with me, but yeah. So I haven't got anything done, but I do have. We had 22 entries on this giveaway, and I got them all wrote down here. And so what we're going to do, I wrote them all down and numbered them, and we're going to use the random number generator in Google to pick um, some winners there. So you turn around, where you can see it. All right, this is for the Earnhardt Corvette. A little drum roll, and here we go. First number is 19. Well, 19. Old Tom, number 69. Yeah, Tom's lucky. He just won something else the other day, I think. All right. Now, I'm going to give out five smaller things. Man, I would give out something bigger, but postage being what it is, man, it's just more than I can handle. And what I got these packs of shifters. It's a variety assortment. Um, and I got to put my thing back up here so I can see. Yeah, see what I'm doing. But yeah, just B and M. I don't know. There's several different ones. There's a Hurst, and I don't know the Gated, and anyway, but a little assortments of them, and we're gonna give five of those away. So the next one is going to be 17, Eric's Model Garage. All right. 11, Bubba's Model Car Shop. 10, I mean, that's where I clicked it, man. Um, Scale Model Mayhem. One, two, three, two more now. Um, Number 3, the bearded guy, Jeff Lawless. And the last one is going to number 8, which is Troy Webb 3493. All right, guys. Like I said, y'all all winners. I mean, not that anybody's a loser, but uh, I'll be sending out something to all y'all. You need to contact me. My email is in the in my channel description. You need to contact me and get your address to me, uh, and I'll get that right out to you. Um, These little shifters are neat though. I had tried printing them before, but I never could get them to print because of the fine detail. But yeah, I got those, and I'll be sending those out to you. And I guess that's about it for today. But Anyway, like I said, you need to need to email me and get your address to me, and I'll get. I really want to get these out on the first or second, something like that. Um, but Anyway, I want to thank all my subscribers, man, have got me this far. I mean, I never thought I'd get to 500. Um, You guys have been great, man. This is a really great community. The but like, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Hit that little button down there. And until next time, this is it's been Red. I mean, yeah. Until next time, we'll see you later. And y'all have a good day. Bye.